Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom labels in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to simply go to the Google, and then here you have to simply type in Google Ads like this, and here you have to choose the first account from first website from here, and it will simply take you to this page, and from here you can choose the sign in or the start now button. If you have already account, go for the sign in, or you can just create an account by clicking on the start now. And after that, what you need to do is it will simply take you to this page. You have to simply, here you can see that there the overview version is showing here, and here you can see the new campaign option and all other overviews showing here. You have to just simply click on the campaign option from the left hand side, and from here you have to just simply expand the campaign option, then click on campaign, and after that here you will get the option of new campaign as well. Here you can see that the new campaign option is also showing, so you can also just click on the new campaign as well for creating a new campaign. So as I said previously, you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from the campaign drop down below. Just simply click on the campaigns option from here. And once you click on the campaigns option, here you can see that there are lots of options of campaign. Here you can see the campaign that are showing. So first, say I would like to select this one. Here you can see I have already selected it previously, and in the top navigation bar here you will get the option of label. Just simply click on the label option from here, and after you click on the label option, here you can see that there are lots of label option is showing here. Just simply click on the create label from here. After that, it will simply take you to this page. Here you have to simply type in the name and description, and here you can see you have already typed in a description and name, and then have to simply click on the create. After that, it will simply take you to this page. Here you can see, and you have to just simply click on this the first one I have already selected. Then you have to simply click on the apply option from here. After that, it will simply create your label as simply as that. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.